In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install some web tools. So because there are different web tools, for example of this kind of tools is CyberTools. Now let us look at some of the features of this script. Then we look at the demo page, how it's going to look like after installing it. These are some of the features: search engine optimization, multi-language. This is the blog, admin panel, and it's responsive. So apart from that, look at some of the other features. Fully featured software as a service platform, more than 100 unique web tools, multi-language support, Google AdSense friendly, contact from static pages, all this. To develop this kind of application, this kind of script, can use the engagement link in the description to engage me to develop, help you to develop this kind of script. So let's look at the front end. That is going to look like after the development or after installing this particular script. This is how it's going to look like. That is the front end. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos regarding script installation and development. Now after downloading the script, I go straight to my cPanel. From my cPanel, I go to my file manager. From my file manager, I go to the subdomain I will be using for this testing purposes, which is this. Here is it. I've already uploaded my script. Then next I'm going to extract it, extract files. So next I'm going to close this. So now this is the extracted file. Let me open it. And I'm going to select all. Then I'm moving them to the root folder. Move files. Now I click on back. Then next let me copy my subdomain, open a new tab, paste it there, then click on enter. Now I'm going to click on next. Now here I'm going to fill in the license purchase code. After filling it, then I click on next. So this time around, I'm going to go back to my cPanel to create my database for me to have the details for this place. So let me go back to my cPanel. I scroll down to databases, then my SQL databases. So let me name it as CyberTools DB. Create that. Let me copy this. Create database. So I've created the database successfully. So next I click on back. After creating my database, next I'm going to create the user. Let me scroll down to create my user. Okay. Now I'm going to click on create user. After creating my user successfully, I click on go back. I've created my user, I've created my database. This time around, I'm going to add the user to the database. So let me scroll down to add user. I'll make sure I select the one I just created. it has selected it from me automatically, so I just click on add. I give all privileges to the user. Scroll down to make changes. Success, I've successfully added the user to the database. So let me copy my username. I go back to my site, database username. Database name. Here's my database name. Okay. Let me just click on next. So let me just close this. So now the name, let me say admin. Here let me say admin at example.com or admin at example.com. Yes. Then I click on finish. So I'll just close this. My email is admin. What I use is admin at example.com. Admin at example.com. This is what I use as my password. Okay, as my email. Then I click on sign in. So I've successfully installed my script, as you can see. To develop your script or your application, kindly use my engagement link in the description to engage me to help you develop it. That's your web tools. This is an example of the tools of the one I created myself. I created it from scratch. This is an e-commerce website. So I created this. You can click on shop to see the details, to see all the shop or what is available in the shop. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and for your script installation or customization or to develop your application, use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you develop it. Look at it, the one I just created for myself. I created it from scratch. I can also help you to create yours. Thank you.